Hey everybody, this is Chris at Katana. Today's video is a product release about our new feature that just went live in our Katana Shopify integration. This is a stock sync feature that enables you to update your product levels in inventory on your Shopify website based on any stock movement that takes place in Katana. To set this up, log into your account and go to Settings, and under the Integrations menu, head to your Shopify store that's already connected and click on Reconfigure. On the second menu, you'll see a new option below that says, yes, automatically synchronize stock levels from Katana to Shopify. What this does, this enables you to utilize Katana as the point of truth for all of the stock levels that you push live directly to your Shopify website. So anytime you mark a sales order as delivered, a manufacturing order as completed, a purchase order as received, or a stock adjustment gets initiated, then the corresponding products related to any of those orders automatically updates and then reflects on your Shopify website. So just click yes, click OK, reconfigure, and then Katana will go through an update process. Once the update process is complete, your new settings have been saved. You can close out of this dialog box and go directly into your account to make any changes that are necessary. To show how this works, let's go inside of our Shopify store back office and click on our All Products section and look at some of the products we have in stock. Currently, we have a big Kahuna longboard here on my awesome longboard store, and I have 0 of these items in inventory. If I go back into Katana on my manufacturing schedule under the Make screen, and I have a manufacturing order for 10 units of this item, and I mark it as completed, then what will happen is the stock level will increase inside of Katana to 10 pieces, and this 10 pieces stock level will then get pushed directly into your Shopify store and update the product level after a nice refresh. And now we have 10 of this particular item in stock. So now, every time you sell an item or change it inside of Katana, it will always reflect the most up-to-date inventory level in your Shopify store, making less manual entry, less mistakes, and reducing the opportunity to undersell or oversell. If you have any specific questions about the stock sync, please feel free to visit our website and click on the chat widget in the lower right-hand corner, or write to us at support@katanamrp.com, and I or one of my colleagues will be happy to help you. And that does it for today's video. Have a nice day and happy manufacturing.